Hello guys, welcome to the first official video on Codex. Today, I'm going to start making my dream project, my own simulator game. I've always loved simulator games, the loops, the sense of progression, everything about them just draws me in. Games like Supermarket Simulator and House Flipper, for an example. So, I've always wanted to create one myself, but couldn't find an original idea. But on top of that, I'm a big fan of bowling and pretty good at it. So I thought, why not combine my favorite sport and my favorite type of game into Bowling Alley Simulator? I'm planning to turn this into a series so you can follow along as I learn, experiment, and level up as a game developer. Alright, enough talking. Let's get into the details of my idea. Before I started coding, I planned everything in Milanote. And no, I'm not sponsored by them, but I just really love Milanote. So I used it to keep everything in place. This really helped me visualize what I wanted the game to be. Alright, let's jump into the coding. So as I opened up the Unity project, I immediately switched over to the old input manager just because I haven't really figured out the new one yet. After that, I jumped right into making my first person controller. I started making my first player controller. I added a empty and renamed it to player and added a player camera inside of the player and changed the dimensions. After I finished the dimensions, I started coding, which would add the character controller to the actual player. Currently on my channel, I don't want it just to be log after log. I want it to interact with the community. I want to make a community of developers, game testers, and players who love games just as much as I do. So leave your ideas in the comments below. If you want to see more of my channel, give me a subscribe. And if you like this video and the rest of the videos I'll make on the series, give it a like too. Now that I've got the code done, I'm going to run it to see if it works. As you can see, when I move my mouse, I can move my head in the game and I can walk around. So now my next goal I'm going to try and make is a crosshair so that you can see where the player is looking. The crosshair was pretty simple. All I had to do was add a canvas and then a canvas image and just change some settings. After I did that, as you can see, I now have a white square on my screen to show where I'm looking. If you guys like this first devlog on my channel, please give me a like and subscribe, and Codex out.